Hello everyone, welcome to Techiliper channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to uninstall apps or programs from your Windows 11 computer. And I'm going to show you two methods that you can use. Now let's start with the first method. So go to Start and then click on Settings. Now from the left, click on Apps. Now click on Installed Apps from the top. Now in here, scroll down and find the app that you want to delete or uninstall. And then once you find it, click on the three dots and then click on Uninstall and then click on Uninstall again. Now from here, click on Yes. Now just follow the instruction. And as you can see, we have just uninstalled Mozilla Firefox. Now from here, just click on Finish. And as you can see here, Firefox is not in here anymore. Now let's start with the second method. For that, all you have to do is just go to the search icon and then type in Control and then click on Control Panel. Now from here, click on Uninstall a program. Now find the application or program that you want to uninstall. I will uninstall this one. So just select it and then click on Uninstall and then click on Yes. Click on Yes from here. And as you can see, we have successfully deleted PGIP from our computer, and it will show some warning message, but that's fine. Just click on Got It. And here you can see that PGIP is not in here anymore. We have successfully uninstalled it from our computer. And that is how you can uninstall programs or apps in your Windows 11 computer. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.